Hi, my name is Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase the Hope double full arch door today. Hope you enjoy it. Alright everyone, so we are on the Hope full arch double door. This is one of our original flagship models that Dion and Arian's dad actually first made. Super quality door. All of our doors come with the full steel pickets. This is solid. These are hand bent, hand forged. Nothing about any of our doors is machine made, which guarantees you a personal item every time you get one. This is one of the doors that we use the 4-inch metal around the frame for, which gives us the ability to widen the glass, give you some more light into the house. We had to extend the lock plate in more so that you could fit a full-size lock and you have an even amount of metal on both sides. This does have the kick plate, which raises up. We made it linear and very symmetrical, so it looks good with the double door. The single doors actually have the flat if you purchase this door in a single, so it's because the symmetry doesn't match up well if you use the curves on the single portions. This door currently has the rain glass, but it is offered in all different glass types that we have. You could check those out online. We also offer this in different tops. This is the full arch, but we offer the regular arch as well as the flat top. Another part about this door that's pretty cool, the threshold, just like all of our doors, is built into the jamb in full. So you're gonna get a one-piece threshold and jamb fully, and this one currently is a 72 by 96, which from outside of jamb, from this side, all the way to the outside of that portion of the jamb is 72 inches. And from the bottom of this threshold, all the way up to the top of that jamb up there, that's gonna be the 96 inches. So all of our doors are measured from outside of jamb to outside of jamb. We do have the ornate flowers on this door. You can custom order if you didn't want the ornate flowers on there, you can custom order it without. If you go into our website, right above the door where it says in stock, you can transfer over to out of stock or customize, and you can make this door a little bit different if you like as well. I think that's it for the front side. Let's flip this guy around and I'll show you the back. All right guys, so now we're on the interior side, the back side of this Hope double full arch door. You still get that curved kick plate on both sides with the ornate design in the center. These glass panels do open up separately. Let me show you how we do that. Just turn the knob, flip it over. Turn the knob, flip it over. Again, this is the rain glass. The really nice part about this operable glass is it makes it very easy to clean the glass through the pickets. Instead of having to go through them, you can just open it up and clean it here. We do offer double-sided weather seals, one on the actual panel itself and another rubber weather seal on the interior side. It provides very good closure and without any air leakage. All of our doors are insulated with polyurethane foam to make sure they're not hollow and to make sure no moisture gets in there over time. Close this up. You'll see again, like we discussed on the other side, this is cut out so that you could fit our standard lock sets onto here. You can also, if you want to do a custom order, you could get a solid iron pull handle that we make. Those could be checked out on our entry handles under the shop section of our website. Our hinges, you are going to get this grease fitting on top. This is so that you don't have to take off the door off the actual hinge each time you want to grease it. If it gets a little dry, you could use a grease gun, get that right in there. And again, these are the hinges that separate that operate the glass, so the glass operates off of those hinges. Again, you can custom order this. This is currently an oil bronze, which is the color that we stock in this particular door. But you can get this in any one of our colors if you want to do a custom order as well, or a special order. I think that's pretty much it on this door. Thank you for watching this showcase on the Hope double full arch door. We'll see you on the next one. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed our showcase of the Hope double full arch door today. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them below. Any questions, you could do the same. Or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can give us a call at 844-843-6677. Thank you so much.